Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Good morning, everyone. It is already a pretty nice start to your day, an improvement compared to where we were yesterday morning. Still on the gray side, a lot of clouds still camped out over our region, but at least we are not seeing the rain showers that we started off our day and kind of kept around for most of the afternoon yesterday. Today looks drier. Here's a look out towards Narragansett. You can see those clouds hanging out overhead, but the visibility is really not that bad. You can actually see out in the distance some lights and the bridge kind of lit up. So if you're hitting the road anytime soon, you're good to go. Fog is really not too much of a factor. See, you can see the bridge lit up right there, and traffic looks to be moving pretty good. So at least we have that going for us. Yesterday you kind of ran into some gray spots with that rain. Looking back towards Providence, also looking pretty nice. You can see the city all beautifully lit up. Looking pretty good so far. Temperatures slightly warmer than yesterday morning. We're up to 58 degrees, but it's going to be very similar to yesterday in the way that the temperatures don't really change all that much as we continue through the afternoon. Here's a look at your current conditions. 58 for Westerly, as well as Providence and New Bedford, 56 for Newport, and back up towards Smithfield. Plymouth a little bit warmer, and the Vineyard already up to 59 degrees. We're seeing a couple of showers sort of out towards the Cape, out towards Harwich and Provincetown. Everybody else waking up mostly dry, a quick little sprinkle here or there, a little bit of some drizzle just embedded in that cloud coverage, but really mostly dry conditions. Here's the setup. We are still dealing with the remnants of what was Hurricane Ian. This low pressure that is sitting just to the south of our area, it's going to stay pretty much camped out just to the south throughout most of the day today, and then it's really throughout the day tomorrow that it starts to finally push a little bit further down to the south and off to the east. But with it sitting just off the coast, this cluster of shower and thunderstorm activity will be lingering just off the coast. So the chance for some stray showers kind of pushing up towards our coastline is possible throughout the afternoon. However, that best chance for rain is this morning, and then as we head through the afternoon, we'll start to see some drier air moving in, even a tiny bit of some sunshine right in the middle part of the day. Not too much, but a little bit. The temperature will pick up just a tiny bit when we see those few rays of sun, but really staying mostly in the 50s. A little tiny bit warmer than yesterday, back up into the upper 50s, but really still feeling pretty cool, particularly when that wind starts to pick up. We'll be feeling a little cooler. Wind chill will be a bit of a factor. Here's a look at your forecast overall. Again, the morning showers giving way to a few rays of sunshine. Temperatures back up to 58 degrees for Providence, cool and cloudy. Here's a look at that wind forecast. Again, the direction pretty consistent out of the northeast. However, you'll be seeing some very strong wind gusts this afternoon, upwards of about 35 to 40 miles an hour. That's because of the difference between what's left over of Ian and some high pressure sitting up to the north. That is continuing that gale warning, which actually has been extended up into the bay, so really boating this afternoon, not the recommended activity, as that water will be rough. The Patriots are playing again. They are in Green Bay at Lambeau Field. Looks pretty nice out in that direction. They'll be seeing more sunshine than we are. Temperatures right about 69, 70 degrees by about kickoff at 4:30 this afternoon out in Wisconsin. 7-day forecast back home looking pretty good. Tomorrow a little bit more sunshine out there, still on the breezy side. We'll be back up actually closer to almost 70 degrees by Thursday and Friday. So looking pretty nice out there for the first week of October. Overall, not a bad 7 days on the way. You can head over to our website. That's WPRI.com. We've got that full 7-day forecast. You can check it out anytime you like.
So after we get this maybe morning rain out of the way for some spots, it'll be a pretty dry day today.
Dry, still kind of gloomy and gray, and the wind is going to be a big factor today. It's going to make you feel a little bit cooler and be a little bit of a nuisance. If you're out walking around doing anything like that, your hair is going to be whipping all over the place. But overall, a step in the right direction, better than yesterday.
All right, sounds good.